Hello kids! Today we are going to learn story The Bundle of Sticks. Once in a village, an old man named Hari lived with his 3 sons. Though they were family, the brothers constantly argued and never worked together. This worried their father, who knew the power of unity. One day, Hari decided to teach them a lesson. He called his sons and handed each a single stick, asking them to break it. They did so easily, laughing. Then he tied several sticks together and handed the bundle to them, asking them to break it. Each son tried, but none could snap the bundle. Hari smiled and explained, "Alone each stick is weak and easy to break, but together they are strong and unbreakable, just like these sticks. If you stay united, you will be strong against any challenge, but divided you will easily fall." The brothers understood the message. They realized how much their arguments weakened them and promised to support one another from that day forward. With unity, they grew stronger and helped their family prosper, remembering their father's wisdom for years to come. Moral: unity is strength. Working together makes us strong. Thank you kids for watching the video. Please subscribe and share our channel for learning more videos.